So what happens after you flush? We're diving into the secret journey of wastewater. This idea totally flips the script. We're not talking waste, we're talking about a valuable resource. All right, let's follow the flow. But first, you gotta know the lingo. First up, sewerage is the whole network of pipes. Sewage is what actually flows inside. Then there's sullage. That's just the water from kitchens and bathrooms, no toilet stuff. Now, get this. Sewage is 99.9% water. That's a massive resource hiding right under our noses. So how do we measure how dirty it is? With something called BOD. Think of it like a pollution score. Okay, so the journey begins in this huge, hidden network of pipes, literally right beneath our feet. And this system? It's a total engineering marvel. It's designed so gravity does pretty much all the work. The secret is this magic speed called self-cleansing velocity. It stops things from, well, clogging up. So where do all these pipes lead? To the sewage treatment plants, or STP for short? This is where the real transformation happens. It's a 3-step cleanup to recycle that water. First up is the physical part. It's kind of like a giant strainer in a big settling tank. Then we bring in the heroes, tons of hungry bacteria that just gobble up the gross stuff. A key method for this is the activated sludge process. It's the perfect environment for these microbes. And for the final polish, it's filtered and disinfected. Now it's safe for things like gardening. But what if you're not connected to that big network? Well, that's where smaller systems come in. You've probably heard of the most common one, the septic tank. It's like a mini STP for one house. All right, you've seen the whole journey. Think you are paying attention? Time for a pop quiz. Question 1, what's that minimum speed called that keeps everything flowing smoothly in the pipes? The answer? Self-cleansing velocity. It's such a brilliant example of smart, simple engineering, right? Okay, next up, in a septic tank, which type of bacteria is doing all the heavy lifting? That's right, it's anaerobic bacteria. They're the little guys that work without needing any oxygen. And for the final question, which process is a key part of that biological treatment stage? You got it, the activated sludge process. That's where those helpful bacteria really get to work. So we've seen how waste can be a resource. What other waste systems are we ready to rethink?